Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on a Honda Pilot. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need a 17mm wrench or socket, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have about 5.7 quarts of fresh 0W20 full synthetic engine oil and a new oil filter. For safety and easier access, lift the front of your Pilot with a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Now let's get rid of that old oil. First, warm up your engine for a few minutes, then open the hood and remove the oil fill cap, pulling the dipstick out slightly. This helps the oil drain smoothly. Next, slide your drain pan under the oil pan. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully remove the drain bolt. Let all the old, dirty oil flow out completely into the pan. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new. Find the oil filter, usually in the passenger side wheel well, and remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, put the drain bolt back with a new crush washer, tightening it to 29 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Lower your Pilot from the jack stands. Now, using a funnel, carefully pour in about 5.7 quarts of fresh 0W20 full synthetic oil. Replace the oil fill cap, start the engine, and let it run for a few minutes while checking for any leaks. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick to ensure the level is correct. Don't forget to reset your oil life monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.